You find upper and lower bounds are easy, but as soon as they involve some kind of calculation, you get really confused and get it wrong. So let me show you a few common ones that come up very often so that you can always get full marks. So when you've got two numbers multiplied together and you want to find the upper bound, you're going to do the upper bound of one multiplied by the upper bound of the other. And if you want the lower bound, you're going to do the lower bound of one multiplied by the lower bound of the other. But if you're dividing and you want to find the upper bound, you're going to want to do the biggest number on the numerator divided by the smallest number on the denominator. And if you want to find the lower bound, you're going to want a small numerator and a large denominator. For this question here, again, we're going to want the upper bounds on the numerator, but for the denominator, because we want this to be the smallest denominator possible, we want to do the lower bound, take away the upper bounds. And if you want to reverse that and find the lower bound, you're going to want to have a small numerator and a large denominator. And for this one here, to make it so you've got a large numerator, you're going to want to do the upper bound, take away the lower bound, and then you're going to want to divide it by the smallest number, so by the lowest bound. But if you want to find the lower bound, you want to have a small numerator. So you're going to want to do the lower bound, take away the upper bound, and divide that by the largest number possible, which is the upper bound. So just be careful with your fractions, and remember, if you want to find an upper bound, you're going to want to do a large number divided by a small number, and if you want your lower bound, you're going to want to do a small number divided by a big number. Let me know in the comments if you want me to go through more bound questions.